they serve coffee. Here people can buy coffee and something to eat. I think this place is something like Starbucks. They have the same idea. But I think that here in this cafe, coffee is more tasty than in Starbucks. It's for dog. I think if you have a dog, it can drink here water. It's not hot now, but maybe your dog wants to drink. Долго ждать придется. Долго ждать придется.
Ну, видимо, да.
А тут какая-то прямая очередь или
Нет,
просто
нет.
как получится, так встают?
Хватил.
А,
Чай латте здесь готов. Средний латте можно забирать.
we bought two, как это называется, hot dogs. I want to show you. Two hot dogs cost around 600 rubles. Bon appétit.
Merci.
Today I have a day off, so I'm in a park. The weather is great. Yes, also I have green tea. I like tea, maybe you know, maybe not, but Russians drink tea a lot every day, a lot of cups. And also my husband wanted to show you that I have something for an old lady, or not lady, for a man. I don't know this word in English. In Russian it's scanword, crossword, да? And here you can see questions, something like that, phrases, and you have to understand what word has to be here. In Russia, this thing is for older people because it's strange if you are young and do something like that. This man is riding by bike. I don't know exactly. Maybe it will be interesting for you. In Russia, we don't have a lot of comfortable paths for reading. You can read in parks, for example, but I think it's not comfortable if you want to go to your work, for example, by bikes, because we don't have special paths. I know what I can show you. Here, не знаю. Here you can see that in park we have special path, special route, special place for bikes and for people, but there we don't have something like that at all. Он так старается, а все его родные уехали. Капец, бедняга. А что за ним не следят? We are tired today. We went to the gym. Also, we had problems with our car because someone bumped into our car, and we had to call the police, and they helped us to solve this problem. So we, Sergey, Serежа, and me, tired now, but it's not a reason not to do this video for you, because I remember that you are waiting for my videos from Russia. It's noisy a little bit here because a big road here. There you can see a metro station, Botaniический сад. Also, there are a lot of new buildings there and there. It's a place where apartments are cost or just cost a lot of money, but it's not the city center of Moscow. It's not the city center, but at the same time, apartments cost a lot here. There you can do exercises, and there also. It's great because it's free. If you don't have money but you want to be healthy, you can go to a park and do different exercises for free. Of course, they aren't so comfortable like in gyms, but it's for free again. Okay, I showed you Moscow today. I think that for today that's all, and I will make a new video for you the next week. So subscribe to my channel, please, and see you soon.